Hi and welcome back, my name is Emily. I'm just quickly popping in here to show you one of the new products from iCrafters March release, and this is this really cute mailbox that you can put some treats in or envelopes or whatever you have that you want to put in a tiny cute mailbox. I actually created the pink one that you can see here on screen that we're gonna assemble together. You can see all the pieces that I cut out here to decorate the boxes and everything, and you can see all the pieces that comes in this. You can see the cute bird and some leaves and yeah, a branch there I cut out some gold foil. And you can see here it was super easy to assemble. I'm just carving this, and the pieces that looks like teeth or like grass, that is what makes the curve easy and what you're using to adhere the back piece of our mailbox. So anyway, I created this pink one, and yesterday I played a game. For you that doesn't know, I'm playing basketball with a team here in Stockholm, Sweden, and I just love playing. And my daughter was on the bench with me and watching the game, and I put some candy in this tiny mailbox, and she had that as a treat during the game, and it was super fun. And I was like looking back at her and when she opened it, and she was super excited about watching what was inside this cute mailbox. So that is just a tip. It's a really cute like box for kids to have, but you can decorate it and do it for any occasion. So I did too. I will give my son the other one. I just haven't figured out a good opportunity to give him, because he was home with Andreas when I was playing the game, because he is still just he is only 2 years old, so he was actually sleeping when the game was on. So anyway, that was a lot about my weekend. So back to the card and the project here. You can see I assembled like the door for my mailbox here, and it's all of these pieces, and it comes together. I'm sorry I'm a little bit off screen here, but it comes together really easy. You can see here I will just use some liquid glue to attach the bottom part here. And if you are making this lid a little bit too big, I think I did my other one that you saw in the beginning there, it doesn't want to close all the way. A tip for that is just to put some foam squares on the top of the lid, and it will close and you can open it as you like. And here I'm just decorating with a cute bird, and I'm sorry once more that I'm a little bit off camera. You will see in the finishing close-ups here how everything turned out. And I'm just putting down some leaves and some branches here, and I put the mail on the front lid. And here I just putting a brad through my flag here, so you can have it standing up if you have mail in the box. And you can see Felicia was here helping me creating this box as well. And yeah, that was pretty much it. I have links to the products that I used in this video, as well as a link to iCrafters website, where you can see some close-ups of some more inspiration for all of the products that are being released today. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give this video a thumb up and subscribe to the channel, and I will be back soon with more inspiration. Until next time, have a great day. Bye!